Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to fuel your rocket with Coinspot. Rocket is a trading platform that allows users to automate their trading strategies, and Coinspot is a popular cryptocurrency exchange in Australia. To fuel your rocket, you need to deposit funds into your Rocket account using Coinspot. First, you need to create a Coinspot account and a Rocket account. Once you have created both accounts, navigate to the Coinspot website and log into your account. Click on the Accounts tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit into your Rocket account. Next, go to your Rocket account and click on the Deposit tab. Select the same cryptocurrency you selected in your Coinspot account and copy the deposit address. Go back to your Coinspot account and paste the deposit address into the withdrawal section. Enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that you should only deposit funds from your Coinspot account to your Rocket account using the deposit address provided by Rocket. Depositing funds to the wrong address may result in the loss of your funds. After you have deposited funds into your Rocket account, you can start creating and automating your trading strategies. Rocket provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to create strategies based on various market indicators and conditions. To get the most out of your Rocket account, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of trading strategies and risk management. You should also set clear goals and risk tolerance levels to ensure that your automated trading strategies align with your investment objectives. In conclusion, fueling your Rocket with Coinspot is a straightforward process that requires you to deposit funds from your Coinspot account into your Rocket account. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start automating your trading strategies and achieving your investment goals. Remember to always follow best practices and risk management techniques to ensure that your automated trading strategies are successful.